In the last chapter, we talk about the signature, where the rod receives its unmistakable name.
Und wenn ich jetzt davon spreche von Namen, ist normalerweise so, dass der Routentyp, also
And when I speak about names, it usually goes like this: the rod type, such as Sensefast or Kustenkling or Rebel, or whatever they are called, the Sensiblitz, which was previously called Fast, meaning the successor of the Fast. There are also other rod series or rod families, as I like to call them. At Solitip, there are no rod series, only types. The customer specifies exactly what they want from that particular rod type, the length, the line class, the power factor, and so on. And then they receive their custom-made Sensefast. Of course, they can name it however they like. I don't necessarily write Sensefast Solitip on the rod. If someone wants to give it another name, the name of their favorite river or something else, I write it in white ink exactly as the customer wishes. What every rod always has is its registration number, so that if anything ever happens to the rod, I can check exactly when it was built, what I took into account, what the special features were, what the customer's wishes were, and also what materials were used, so that if I ever have to replace or change something, I know exactly what was used in rod number XXX. At the end, when the rod is finished, before adding the signature, the final measurement is carried out using the 15-degree power method on the power testing machine. Because I want to know exactly how much power the rod still has after the guides have been mounted. And whether anything has changed slightly. Before the guides are mounted, the power measurement is, of course, also done, but the final measurement shows how the fully assembled rod truly performs. And these values are also written on the rod, so that if a customer owns several rods, they know exactly which one it is, what line class, what power factor, and so on. That's the final inspection before the signature. The actual final inspection takes place when everything is completely finished. And that's a visual inspection. In some cases, when it's a really special rod or one with a specific power factor, I take it outside and make a few test casts with the matching line, to personally enjoy the feeling of a Solitip. You don't need to do anything special, just look at this. No double haul, no effort at all. Amazing. You don't even have to run to cast with it. Last time we practiced roll casts right here on the ground, without water.
Letztes Mal haben wir ja Rollwürfe auch gemacht am Boden hier, ohne Wasser. Das ist unglaublich, schau mir das an.
Huh, incredible, look at that. Yes, it catches down there, between the fingers. Back on the ground. Yes, back on the ground.
Ja, es hängt am Gras fest, ja. So, jetzt werde ich mal nach
Yes,
hinten
it
marschieren.
catches on the grass.
Huh? Yes.
Alright, now I'm going to walk backwards. I'll move along this side. Yes, okay, few impressive.
Erschreckend. Jetzt mal gut
That's a good 30 meters.
Wieder 7 Fuß.
Again, 7 feet.
Wow.
Well, I'd say, Florian, you're really going to have fun with this one.
Okay. Würde mal sagen, Florian, damit wirst du dann einen echten Spaß haben. Und wer so eine Route mal haben will, der fragt am besten den Florian, wie es ihm damit gegangen ist, dann wird er mit Sicherheit.
And if anyone wants a
einen
rod
schönen
like
Weg
this,
bekommen.
just ask Florian how it worked for him. I'm sure you'll get a great story.
Florian, die heißt Austria
And this
Express.
particular one, Florian's rod, is called Austria Express.
Mit einem Powerfaktor von 7,75.
Solitip, 7 feet, line class 5, with a power factor of 7.64.
5 ist schon extra schnell.
Fast begins at 4.8, 5 is already extra fast, 6 is extra fast.
Weiß ich jetzt selber noch nicht
And
genau.
what to call a 7.64, I'm honestly not quite sure yet. Let me show you how it looks in real life.
Maybe you can see it from that side here. Here. Yeah.
Can you see it?
Ultra flexible
Maybe you can
Spitze
see it
und
better from that side.
ordentlich Dampf von unten.
An
Das
ultra
bewirkt
flexible
natürlich,
tip and real
dass die
power
Rute
from
mit
below.
Ganz wenig Schnur schon zu werfen beginnt.
That allows the rod to start casting with very little line.
Und man hat dann hier ohne Kraft
I'll focus on the tip so you can see it.
Schlaufen, die Möglichkeit,
And like
Schlaufen
this,
schon zu
without
werfen.
effort, you can form tight loops and cast with precision.
Das ist wirklich ganz ohne
Like that.
Kraft. Okay, in diesem Sinne
Really effortless.
würde ich sagen, Florian, viel Spaß, viel
Well
Material
then,
damit,
Florian,
dicke Fische
have fun,
und
good fishing,
wenn mal wieder
and if
irgendwas
anything
sein
ever
sollte,
comes up,
du
you know
weißt,
where to
wo wir
find
zu finden
us.
sind.